What's up, guys? Welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So this twist style took me a total of 5 hours to complete. I used 4 packs of passion twist hair and I have 43 twists on my head. Alright, you guys, jumping right into this video, and this is the passion twist hair that I'm using. I will leave their information down below. It is an Amazon based company, so you will receive your hair in 2.5 seconds. It's like you will receive your hair in a couple days. And this is what it looks like. This is pretty much like the Toyotress, I believe, like deep wave or whatever. But that's what it reminded me of if you was to purchase it from the beauty supply store. And then of course it comes with a latch hook as well as rubber bands and hair accessories. And it came with 7 packs of hair. And each pack comes with 16 strands. So 7 packs with 16 strands in each pack. And that's 1 bundle. All right, I already washed and conditioned my hair. Okay, and I'm not doing my squares too small. I want them medium size. So yeah, probably around this size. And I did blow dry my hair, so my hair is stretched. Take the hair, cut it in half. Unless you want yours long, but I'm going for a bob. All right, you guys, so my camera died and I didn't even notice. So you guys didn't even see me doing these 4 beautiful plaits over here. Twist, plait, potato, whatever. Let me calm down. All right, so again, my hair is stretched and I'm not sure what was missed out or whatever, but I did blow dry my hair after I washed it. And this here is my hair growth oil. I put that on the part so that it'd be like on my scalp. Now I'm taking my whipped hair butter, just a little, and putting that on the ends of my hair. And now I'm going to be using Gorilla Snot. So I am using rubber bands, and then take my crochet hook. And I did cut my hair in half so that I can have the short like bob twist. Split my hair in half, split the crochet hair in half, and now I'm just going to twist down. So I'm going to twist down, and then I add Gorilla Snot to my hair as I go down. Add a rubber band at the end, and that's it. And y'all, I'm not creating baby hair, but I am like just trying to, you know, do a little swoopy, you know. So this row here, I'm just pre-sectioning my hair, which I probably should do my whole hair like this. So that's usually how I do. But I was just so anxious to see how these twists look. And y'all, when y'all are putting on your rubber bands, do not put it like all the way up here at the edge. Try to put it back some. Okay, y'all see I have finished the front. Looks really good and neat. Back here in the back, raw footage. My 2 locks. I think
think that's good. I hope that's good. I don't know. Okay, so I have 2 done in the back. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my hair and be back. I don't know what the back looking like, but and now I'm gonna go through and just cut the ends. See that? I'm just cut that off. It's like 2 days later. Alright y'all, so make sure you click the link down below so you can go and get your bonnet. Take some of my oil and put that throughout my scalp. Ooh. I'm gonna show y'all a couple styles that you can do with this twist style.